So if I could tell you, for 16 grand, you can get a Polo or one of these, a Porsche Cayenne with sunroof. We have a retractable electric tow bar. There's not many SUVs you can pick up for 16 grand that have the spec that this thing has. Completely ignoring the fact that it's a Porsche. Aside from that, 3 different suspension settings, i.e. air suspension. You can control the height up and down. Heated seats, dual zone aircon. You've got your infotainment system here, which you can convert to CarPlay, which brings it on par with literally like a 19 plate. So plenty of storage in here as well, with another power outlet, a USB and an aux, which actually people actually prefer that kind of stuff nowadays. We have auto lights, we have an electronic parking brake, we have cruise control, we have sensors, we've got gear shifting, like everything. Electric seats, fully leather throughout, sunroof. I mean, for £16,000, the value you're getting here is insane. You can set your driver's seat 3 times, different preferences for different drivers. Folding mirrors, you can individually control your electric mirrors, they're heated, of course. Going through to the back, you can actually really easily access the boot. For the sake, like, you can buy a Polo or like a Qashqai for the same money. I don't know why you buy them. I mean, there's what I like about it is there's spec at every level of the car, front, middle, and back. So you've got your sun visor, which is just standard, really. But under here, the party begins with your massive subwoofer by Bose, which is a brilliant brand to have your sound by. Electric retractable tow bar, which is pretty slow and pretty beaten, but tow bars aren't going to look good. Yeah. With a guarantee on the back of it, you have like a private plate on the back as well. No one would know it's a 63 plate. You also have a digital dash section as well. Trip, phone, sat nav even. Like Audi didn't have digital dash until like 16, 17. So drive off into the sunset now. My new Porsche Cayenne. Yes, I said that right, Porsche Cayenne. Yes, I have a Porsche Cayenne. Very nice.